Question number 51. Square root of sine of 5 by 2 minus 5 by 6. 5 by 2 means 90. 5 by 6 means 30. 90 minus 30, 60. Means sine of 60. First one is how much? Sine of 60 into cos of 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 plus 5 by 3 means 60 or not? 360 plus 60. 360 plus 60. 420. Cos of 420 or not? Cos of 420 we written 360 plus 60 or not? Means cos of 360 plus theta, it will be cos theta or not? Means it is cos 60. Next, another one. Cos of 3 pi by 2 minus 5 by 6. 3 pi by 2 means 270 or not? Minus 5 by 6 means 30. 270 minus 30. 240 or not? Cos of 240 we written cos of 270 minus 30 or not? 240 we written 270 minus 30. Cos of 270 minus 30 we are getting cos of 270 minus theta, we are getting minus cos minus sin theta or not? Because 270 minus theta, it is which coordinate? Third coordinate or not? Cos of 270 minus theta, it is equal to minus sin theta or not? Then we written minus sin of how many degrees? 30 degrees or not? And into sin of 180 minus 60. Sin of 180 minus 60 means sin of 120 or not? Sin of 120 means we written 180 minus 60 or not? Sin of 180 minus 60, we are getting sin theta or not? Okay, then into sin 60 degrees or not? Yes or no? What is the sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Minus sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Almost same values or not? Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. 0 or not? Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. We are getting how much? 0. Square root of 0. 0. Next question number 52. After allowing a discount of 35 by 17% on the which one market price of an article, it was sold for 750.2. Had the discount not been given, the profit would have been 142.6 by 7%. What was the difference between the cost price of article and market price of the article? What is the discount percentage are given? 35 by 17%. Okay. 1730 is how much? 510. 17 5 is 85. 510 plus 85, 595. Plus 5 means 600. 600 by 1700. 2 zeros are cancelled. Okay. Then market price is how many parts? 17 parts. Discount is how many parts? 6 parts. Then selling price is 11 parts or not? Out of 17 parts, 6 parts discount means selling price is how much? 11 parts. And it was sold for how many rupees? 750.2. Means selling price is 11 parts. That is equal to how much? 750.2 or not? And one more, at the discount not being given. Discount not being given means selling price, it is equal to which one? Market price or not? No discount means selling price equal to which one? Market price or not? Again, market price is how many parts? 11 parts or not? What is the selling price actually? 11 parts. Thus, no discount means selling price equal to which one? Market price or not? And next time you getting a profit of how much percent? 142.6 by 7% or not? First 7 into 100, 700. 7 into 40, 280. 700 plus 280, 980. 7 2s are how much? 14 plus 6, 20 or not? It is 1000. 1000 by which one? 700 or not? 1000 by 700. 1000 by 700 means we written how much? 2 zeros cancel. 10 by 7 or not? Means CP is how many parts? 7 parts. 10 by 7. Profit or loss? Profit. Cost price is 7 parts, but selling price is how many parts? 17 parts or not? What is the profit meaning? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price or not? Okay, cost price is how many parts? 7 parts. Profit is how many parts? 10 parts. Then selling price will be 17 parts or not? If no discount are offered means selling price is how many parts? 17 parts or not? What is the 11 parts value? 750.2. But we require how many parts value? 17 parts. But your question is difference between the cost price of a article and market price of the article or not? Cost price of a article means how many parts? 7 parts. Market price of a article, how many parts? Market price of a article means how many parts? 17 parts. Difference is 10 parts or not? 750.2, it is represents how many parts value? 11 parts. But we required how many parts value? 10 parts or not? 11 parts is how much? 750.2. But your question is difference between market price and cost price or not? How many parts are difference? 10 parts. We know the 11 parts value, but we require how many parts? 10 parts or not? 750.2 into 10 means we are getting 7502 by 11. 11 how many times? 6 times. What is the remaining value? 66 complete. Remaining 9. 90 means 8 times. Again 2 times or not? It is 682. Next question number 53. Find the length of the curve of the circle that makes an angle 60 degrees with the tangent drawn at one end point of the curve whose radius is how much? 12 centimeters or not? And here circle, suppose AB is the curve or not? AB is the curve. What is the question here? Find the length of the curve. Means we required AB value or not? And one more, of the circle that makes an angle of 60 degrees with the tangent drawn at one end point of the curve or not? Okay, suppose this is tangent or not? At one end point of the curve means from A it will be tangent or not? And one more, it is center of the circle or not? OA is which one? O is the center of the circle, OA is the radius, OB also radius or not? What is the OA value? 12. OB value also 12 or not? And one more, what is the angular make tangent? 60 degrees or not? If it is 60 degrees and it is OC or not? OC is the height of the triangle or not? OC is the height of the triangle. And one more, it is 90 degrees angle or not? And OAC is a right angle triangle. OAC is a right angle triangle. And one more, AC value and BC value both are in same or different? Same, because total chord is split into two equal parts or not? And AC value equal to which one? BC value or not? What is the question here? We required AB value or A? AB value or not? Okay. If it is angle 60 and center also how many degrees our angle makes? 60 degrees or not? Alternate angles concept. If it is 60 degrees, opposite also how much? 60 or not? And OAC is a right angle triangle. What the angle are given in center O? 60 degrees. Then we return sine 60 or sine 30? Sine 60. Sine 60 means we return AC by which one? OA or not? AC by OA. What is the sine 60 value? Root 3 by 2. And AC value unknown. And OA value is how much? 12 or not? 2 how many times? 6 times or not? Then AC equal to how much value? 6 root 3 or not? What is the question here? AB value. AB means we return AC plus BC or not? AC plus BC. Then AB equal to how much? 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3 or not? How much? 12 root 3. Because AC value and BC value same or different? Same. What is the AC value? 6 root 3. Means BC value also 6 root 3. 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3. 12 root 3 or not? Next question number 54. Fifty-fourth question. The simple interest on a sum 53,200 at the end of the 5 years is 39,900. What would have been the compound interest on the same sum at the same rate for how many years? 2 years. When compounded annually. What is the principal value? 53,200. What is the interest value? 39,900. What is the ratio? 532 and 399. What is the difference between 532 and 399? 133. 133 3 times how much? 399. 133 4 times 532. Means principal is how many parts? 4 parts. Interest is how many parts? 3 parts. Suppose the principal I consider 100%, then interest value 75%. Yes or no? What is the principal and interest ratio? 4:3. 4 parts are 100%, then 3 parts are 75%. That 75% interest received in how many years? 5 years. 75% in 5 years. What is the per annum interest? 75 by 5. We are getting per annum interest is how much? 15%. Okay. Second one, what would have been the compound interest on the same sum or different sum? Same sum at the same rate for how many years? 2 years. 15% for 2 years, compound interest or simple interest? Compound interest. 15% for 2 years, compound interest is how much? 32.25%. Okay. First, what is the principal value here? 53,200. In that, how much percent we need? 32.25%. First, what is the 10% value? 5320. 30% means 1, 5, 3 times 960. It is 30%. Again, what is the 1% value? 532. 2% value 1064. Again, how much percent we need? 0.25%. What is the 1%? 532. Half percent. 1% 532. 0.5% means half or not? How much? 266. Again, half of the 266. 133 or not? That is 0.25% or not? Okay. 30%, 2%, 0.25. End with 7. 12, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3, 5. Carry value 1 or not? It will be 11. End with 157. Third option or not? If you are verify the 32.25, it is 3 multiple or not? But all the options are 3 multiples. Okay. If you are doing some mistake, the question are wrong. Because all the options are same numbers or different numbers. Same numbers or not? Means answer must be multiple of 3. Means all the options are satisfy the 3 multiple concept or not? Next. We required exact value or not? Next question number 55. If 2a by 3 plus 4b by 5 plus 3c by 8 equal to how much? 24. And ABC equal to 2160, then what is the value of 4a square by 9 plus 16b square by 25 plus 9c square by 64, so on. Okay. 2a by 3. What is the denominator? 3. Means a must be multiple of 3 or not? Okay. Then a value we are consider 9. Okay. 4b by 5. B must be multiple of 5. Then I written b value 15. Next, 3c by 8. C must be multiple of 8. Then c value I written 16. Okay. And one more, what is the ABC value? 2160. What is the sum of the digits? 9 or not? Means one value must be multiple of 9 or not? Yes or no? If you have taken a value 6, it is 9 multiple? No. Obviously a value must be 9 multiple or not? Next, 2160 end with 0 or not? Means one value must be multiple of 5 or 10, because 10 is not possible. Obviously possibility 5 or not, means either 5 are taken or 10 are taken or 15 are taken. If you are taken 5, we are get the less value, sum will be lesser. But we are taken 15, we are get the sum value more or not. And one more, C, A into B into C, it is 2160. What are the last two digits in 2160? 60. It is exactly divisible by 4 or not? Okay. And what are the last three digits? 160 or not? It is exactly divisible by 8 or not? Yes or no? One must be multiple of 9, one must be multiple of 5, another one must be multiple of either 4 or 8 or not? Okay. 15 into 16, 240 into 9, 2160 or not? Clear? Satisfy all the conditions or not? What is the question here? 4a square by 9. 4 into, what is the 9 square? 81 by 9 or not? Plus 16b square. 16 into 225 by how much value? 25 or not? Plus 9c square. 9 into 16 square. 256 by how much value? 64. Minus 8 by 15 into AB. AB means 135 or not? 9 into 15 or not? Another one, 3 by 10 into BC. What is the B value? 15 into C value 16. Minus 1 by 4 into A into C or not? 9 into 16. Okay. 9 how many times? 81. 9 times. 25 how many times? 9 times or not? And 64 how many times? 4 times or not? 15 cancel or not? 15 into 16, 240. 10 how many times? 24 times or not? 4 how many times? 4 times or not? 4 9s are 36. Here 4 9s are 36, cancel or not? 3 into 24, 72. Yes or no? Minus 72. 8 into 9, 72. Minus 72 minus 72, 144. 16 into 9, 144. Cancel or not? What is the remaining value? 9 4 the 36. If you are using formula, the question are lengthy. Okay. Verify the values. Next question number 56. Can I skip the 56 question? Direct to question or not? What is the lifestyle percentage? What is the supplies percentage? 47%. Means 10575 divided by how much value? 47 into, what is the lifestyle percentage? Lifestyle 26 or 12? 12% or not? First one rent, second supplies, third one lifestyle. Always we are taken clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise or not? 1057 divided by 47, we are get the 1% value, but we require how much percent? 12% or not? Okay. Next question number 57. A person saves 35 5 by 17% of his salary. If his savings is increased by how much? 16 2 by 3%, and his salary remains the same, then that will then what will be the decrease in the percentage of expenditure? 35 5 by 17% of his salary. 1730 is how much? 510. 17 5 is 85. 510 plus 85, 590 plus 5, 600. 600 by how much? 1700. What is the fraction? 6 by 17. Income is how many parts? 17 parts. Savings are how many parts? 6 parts. Expenditure is 11 parts or not? Okay. Income equal to expenditure plus saving or not? Saving is how many parts? 6 parts. Income are 17 parts. And savings are increased by how much percent? 16 2 by 3%. 16 2 by 3% means what is the fraction? 1 by 6. 1/6 are increased means what is the 1/6 of 6? 1. 6 plus 1, 7. New savings is 7 or not? But his salary remains the same. His salary are same means what is the new income also? 17 or not? What is the question here? What will be the decrease in the percentage of expenditure? income 17, savings are 10, then expenditure are 10 or not? How many parts are decreased? One part. 1 upon which one? 11 into 100. 1 by 11 means what is the percentage? 9, 1 by 11%. Just if you know the fraction value, the question are easy. 35 by 17% converted to fraction. Next question number 58. A minus 1 by 2a, it is equal to how much? 2 root 2. Find the value of a power 4 plus 1 by 16 a power 4. First squaring on both sides or not? We are getting a square plus 1 by 4a square minus 2 into a into 1 by 2a, that is equal to 2 root 2 square or not? 2 root 2 square means 8. A cancel, 2 also cancel or not? Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Then a square plus 1 by 4a square, it is equal to how much? 9 or not? Again, we required a power 4 means squaring again or not? Again square means we are getting a power 4 plus 1 by 16 a power 4 plus 2ab. 2 into a square into 1 by 4a square equal to, what is the 9 square? 81 or not? A square cancel, 2 by 4 means it is 1 by 2 or not? Okay, right hand left hand side it is plus 1 by 2, it will become right hand side minus 1 by 2 or not? Then answer 81 minus 1 by 2 or not? Means half of out of 81 we are subtracting half value or not? What is the remaining value? 80 half or not? Which option? Fourth option. Next question number 59. Or can I skip the 59? Simplification. Next question number 60. Question number 60. The total imports of the country in 2015, 17 and 18 are what percentage of the total exports in 2016, 18 and 20? And what are the imports in 2015? 440. 2017, 330. 2018, 470. 470 plus 330, 800. 800 plus 440, 1240 or not? Next, another one, 2016 exports. What are the 2016 exports? 290. Next, 2018, 400. Next, 2020, 450. 400 plus 450, 850 plus 290, 1140 or not? One is numerator, another one denominator or not? By into 100 or not? 1240 is divided by 1140 into 100. We are getting more than 100% or less than 100%? More than 100%. But all the options are given less than 100%. Means question will be mistake. Okay, options are mistake. Question are correct, but options are mistake. 1240 by 1140, we are getting more than 100% or less than 100%? More than 100%. Because numerator is more than denominator. We are getting more than 100% or not? Okay, all the options are given wrong. Okay, our question will be changes. 1140 is what percent of 1240? In that case also we are getting nearby 90% value, not 70% change. Okay, question options are wrong. Next question number 61. Narayan can row a boat 17.5 kilometers upstream in 1 hour. How many minutes? 40 minutes. What is the distance in upstream? 17.5. What is the time in upstream? 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes means 100 minutes or not? 100 minutes. Divide by 100 into multiplied by 60 or not? Because 100 minutes converted to hours, then we return 100 by 60. It is equal to m minus s or m plus s? M minus s. 0, 0 cancel. 17.5 into 6. 105 by how much value? 10 or not? It is 10.5. We know the m value, we know the s value. What the s is given? 5.5. S value 5.5, then m value obviously 16 or not? Okay, and what is the question here? Then how much time will the boat take to row the boat 64.5 kilometers downstream or upstream? Downstream. What is the distance in downstream? 64.5. What is the speed in downstream? 21.5. 16 plus 5. Downstream speed m plus s or m minus s? M plus s. Distance by speed 21.5. 645 by 21.5. Almost 3 times or not? Basic question or not? Next question number 62. An article is sold at a certain price. If it is sold 58 1 by 3% of this price, there is a loss of how much? 58 1 by 3%. What is the percentage of profit or loss if it is sold 46 2 by 3% of the which one? Original selling price. Okay. First of all, it is sold at 58 1 by 3% of which one? This price. Means 58 1 by 3% of selling price or not? Okay, but you getting a loss of how much percent? 58 1 by 3% loss or not? 58 1 by 3% loss means what is the selling price? 41 2 by 3% or not? Yes or no? 58 1 by 3% loss. 58 1 by 3% loss means remaining 41 2 by 3% is selling price or not? Don't say profit. Out of 100%, 58 1 by 3% are loss means what is the selling price? 41 2 by 3% of selling price or not? It is first time. What is the second time? What is the profit or loss if it is sold 46 2 by 3% of original selling price? What is the original selling price? SP. In that how much percent are taken? 46 2 by 3% of SP or not? It is equal to what percent of selling price or not? Okay, all the cases we are cancel the SP value or not? If question mark value we are get the more than 100, it is profit or loss? Profit. Less than 100, loss. Obviously 58 1 by 3%, 41 2 by 3% means 46 2 by 3% value less than 41 or more than 41? Less than 41 means we are get the loss value or gain value? Loss value or not? First, 58 1 by 3%. What is the fraction? 350 is 150, 3 8 is 24, 174 plus 1, 175 by 3 equal to 41 2 by 3, 125 by 3 or not? Next, 46 2 by 3, 138, 140 by 3 or not? Equal to what value or not? 3 denominator cancel. What is the difference between 175 and 140? 35. 35 4 times, 35 5 times or not? 5 how many times? 25 times or not? 4 into 25. 100 by 3 means 100 by 3 or not? Means question mark value is how much? 33 1 by 3% or not? 33 1 by 3%. 4 into 25 100 by 3 means we are getting how much? 100 by 3, 33 1 by 3%. That is selling price or not? What is the question here? Loss or profit? What is the percentage of profit or loss? How much percent or loss? 66 2 by 3% loss. First one 41 2 by 3% we return selling price or cost price? Selling price means 33 1 by 3% also selling price means what is the last value? 66 2 by 3%. Here 33 1 by 3% not final answer. Here 33 1 by 3% is only selling price. But question is percentage of either profit or loss. How much percent are loss? 66 2 by 3% loss. Next question number 63. 11 men or 15 women can complete a work in how many days? 65 days. In how many days? 8 men and 5 women can complete the same work or different work? Same work. First of all, 11 men can complete the work in 65 days means what is the 1 man 1 day work? 1 by 11 into 65. 15 women can complete the same work in 65 days. Okay, just 1 minute. This type of questions we are using direct method. Okay, 11 men 15 women complete the work in how many days? 65 days. Then I written 11 into 15 into 65. It is product value. Okay, A and B together are required means we written product by sum or product by difference. Product by sum. 11 into 15 into 16, it is product value. Again sum means we written 11 into 5. 11 5 is how much? 55 plus 15 into 8, 120. Okay, numerator is the product, denominator is the sum. Just cross multiplication. 11 into which one? 5. Another one 15 into 8. Okay, 11 into 15 into 16, 65 by how much value? 175 or not? 5 how many times? 15, 3 times. 5 how many times here? 30, 5 times or not? 5 again 7 times. 5 again 13 times or not? 3 into 13, 39 or not? Into how much value? 11 by 7. 39 into 11 means it is 409 or not? 409 by 7. 409 by 7 means it is almost, 390 plus 39, 429 or not? 429 by 7 means 7 60s, 7 ones are 61, 2 by 7 or not? Product by sum concept. Next 64. A, B, C are 3 positive numbers such that B is 7 by 8 times of which one? A, and C is 3 by 7 times of which one? B. If the average of the reciprocals of the numbers A, B, C is 101 by 2016, then what is the average of 4 times of the A and 6 times of C? And suppose A we are consider 8 parts. A is 8 parts, then B is how much? 7 parts or not? And C will be 3 by 7 of which one? B value or not? Then C is how much? 3 parts or not? Okay, this is the ratio between A, B, C or not? A how many parts? 8 parts. B 7 parts. C will be 3 parts. And what is the next condition? If the average of the reciprocal of the numbers are not? What is the A reciprocal? 1 by 8. B reciprocal? 1 by 7. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 3 or not? These average equal to which one? 101 by 2016 means 1 by 8 parts plus 1 by 7 parts plus 1 by 3 parts, average equal to how much? 101 by 2016. Then I written into 3, it is sum of these 3 parts or not? Yes or no? Sum of the reciprocals equal to average multiplied by number of observations or not? What is the LCM of 8, 7, 3 parts? If we required 8, then we are multiplied by remaining 2 or not? 7 3 is how much? 21. If we required 7, 8 3 is how much? 24. Here we return 24. If we required 3, we return 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 24, 80. 80 plus 21, 101 by 8 into 7 into 3 or not? Okay, numerator we are getting how many parts? 101. Denominator 101, 8 into 7 into 3 or not? Actually 8 into 7 into 3 we are get the product value into parts or not? Yes or no? 101 by how much value? 2016 into 3. Both sides 101 cancel or not? Next 7 3 is how much? 21. 21 3 how many times? 6 times. What is the remaining value? 21. 7 2 or not? Next 8 into 7, 56. 56 ones are 56. Remaining 1 1 2 or not? How many times? 2 times. 3 again 4 times. 1 by P equal to 1 by 4 or not? means every one part equal to how much? 4 and what is the question here? Average of 4 times of A and 6 times of C. 4 times of A means how many parts we need? 32 parts or not? 6 times of C means 18 parts we required or not? What is the sum of the parts? 50 parts or not? Average means 25 parts. What is the 25 parts value? 100 or not? Next 65. Can I skip the 65 question? I think direct question. What are the average marks of students QSU in English? But data given in percentage or value? Percentage. The given table shows the percentage of marks obtained by 6 students or not. Okay. First one, Q, how much percent are getting? 55%. SC is how much percent are getting? 50%. U, how much percent are getting? 75. 75 plus 55. 130 no? 130 plus 50. 180. 180% of how many marks? 40. Average means divide by 3 or not? 3 how many times? 60 times or not? What is the 60% of 40? 24. Next question number 66. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio of which one? 2 by 3 is to 5 by 6 is to 3 by 4. And its perimeter is 151.2 centimeters. What is the average of largest side and smallest side? And all are given in fractions or not? First fractions converted to integers or not? 3, 6, 4, LCM 12. Means every fraction is multiplied by 12 or not? 2 by 3 into 12. 8. 5 by 6 into 12. 10. 3 by 4 into 12. 9. Means sides are in which ratio? 8 is to 10 is to 9. Total how many parts? 27 parts or not? Perimeter means sum of the parts or not? What is the sum of the parts? 27 parts. What is the 27 parts value? 151.2. We required which one? Average of the largest side and smallest side. What is the largest side? 10 parts. Smallest side? 8 parts. Average? Sum will be 18. Average? 9 parts or not? Means into 9. It will be 9 by 27 means 1/3 or 1/4? 1/3. 151.2 by 3 means we are getting 50.4. Next question number 67. The sum of the squares of the diagonals of a rhombus is how much? 2500 centimeter square. Find the perimeter of a rhombus. Okay. In rhombus, all the 4 sides are equal or different? Equal. Okay. And this is diagonal 1. Means only this portion are d1 by 2 or not? What is the second diagonal total? d2 by 2. Only this portion d2 by 2 or not? Okay. And side will be how much? A. In rhombus, how many right angle triangles are there? 4 right angle triangles are not. What is the one of the side? A. Another 2 sides are d1 by 2 and d2 by 2 or not? Then we written d1 square by 4 plus d2 square by 4 equal to how much? A square or not? What is the Pythagoras law? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square or not? d1 by 2 whole square plus d2 by 2 whole square equal to how much? A square or not? And what is the common value? d1 square plus d2 square equal to how much? 4a square or not? What is the d1 square plus d2 square are given? 2500 or not? Means 2500 it is equal to how much value? 4a square or not? 4a square equal to 2500. Then a square equal to 625 now. Yes or no? What is the a value? 25. What is the question here? Perimeter of a rhombus. What is the perimeter of a rhombus? Sum of all the sides are not. We required 4a. What is the 4a value? 100 or not? Next question number 68. A 11 digit number 7341521 A56 is divisible by which one? 9 and 11. Find the number of divisors of 2 by 3 of B and 4/5 of A. Means B must be divisible by which one? 3. A must be divisible by 5 or not. Suppose the B value I consider 6. A value I consider 5 or not. Yes or no? 2/3 of B means B must be divisible by which one? 3. 4/5 of A means A must be divisible by 5 or not. Verify the possibilities. Okay. ఖచ్చితంగా సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది. B value is how much? 6. A value are 5. What is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the digits are divisible by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Alternate digits sum difference will be either 0 or 11. Difference we are considered 11 because the difference will be 0. Obviously A value negative are getting, B value also negative are getting. But here A and B values are positives or negatives? A, B values must be positives. Means difference must be taken as 0 or 11. 11 and alternate digits sum difference we are considered 11. Okay. Solving this one we are get the B value 6 and A value 5. Or substitute both the conditions are satisfied. And what is the question here? 2/3 of B. 2/3 of B means 2/3 of 6 is how much? 4. Next 4/5 of A means 4 minus 2A 10 plus 3B 18. 4 plus 4 8. 18 plus 8 26 minus 10 16. Okay. What is the question here? Find the number of divisors of this value. What is the bracket value we are getting? 16. We require number of divisors of which one? 16. Number of divisors of 16 means 1, 2, 4. Divisors means factors or not? What are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. How many factors are getting? 5 factors. Or 16 means we return 2 power 4 or not? Then number of divisors we return. Number of divisors we return 4 plus 1 or only 4? 4 plus 1. If we return 2 power n, then we return n plus 1. If we return 3 power n, we return n plus 1 divisors or not? Either normal factors are written or formula. What is the formula here? A power n. A power n means what is the number of divisors? N plus 1 or only n? N plus 1. Next question number 69. In a circle with center O, P is an external point and PA and PB are which one? Two tangents drawn to the circle. If an angle APO equal to how many degrees? 35 degrees. Then find the measure of angle ACB, where C is a point on the circumference of the circle opposite to which one? Angle APB or not? Okay. First of all, a circle with center O. Circle with center O. And P is an external point. P is on which one? External point. And one is PA tangent, another one PB tangent or not? One is PA, another one PB. And O is the center of the circle or not? O is center of the circle. And OA is the radius. OB also radius or not? Next, and one more, angle APO is given how many degrees? 35 degrees. Angle APO is given 35 degrees or not? It is splitted into two right angle triangles or not? Means angle A is how many degrees? 90 degrees. Angle B also 90 degrees or not? Obviously P will be how much? 1 minute. OAPB, it is a quadrilateral. OAPB, it is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, what is the sum of the angles? 360. Means sum of the opposite angles 180 or not? 90 plus 90, 180 means these two sum also 180 or not? And one more, angle APO is given how many degrees? 35. APO means only this angle is how much? APO means this is how many degrees? 35 degrees or not? 35 degrees. 90 plus 35, 125 or not? What is the remaining angle? 55 or not? 55. And what is the question here? Find the measure of angle ACB, where C is a point on the circumference of the circle opposite to which one? Angle APB. Opposite to point AB means this is point C or not? This one we written AC and CB or not? We required angle C value or not? Okay. What is the question here? We required angle ACB. What is the question here? Find the measure of angle ACB. We required which one? ACB value or not? Okay. This ACB value are equal to which one? Here already how many degrees? 55. Almost same triangle, same angle or different angle? Same angle. Means here how many degrees are there? 55. Okay. Or directly we written angle ACB, it is equal to 90 minus theta by 2. 90 minus theta by 2. 90 minus theta by 2 are already which angle are given? APO are given or not? Then angle ACB, it is equal to angle ACO. What is the angle ACB value? We don't know. But 90 degrees minus angle ACO. What is the angle? Sorry, it is angle APO. Angle APO. 90 minus angle APO is how much? 35. 90 minus 35. 55 degrees or not? Okay. Or if it is theta value, angle C value we written 90 minus theta by 2. What is the total angle here? If it is 35, this is also how much? 35. Total how much? 70 or not? If it is 70, this angle is how much? 90 minus 70 by 2 or not? 90 minus 70 by 2 means 55 or not? Angle P value or theta, then angle C value are how much? 90 minus theta by 2 or not? What is the P half value? 35. Total value 70. Means P value is how much? 70 degrees. Then angle C value 90 minus 70 by 2. How much? 55 degrees or not? Next question number 70. There are 3 groups of students: mathematics, physics and arts, and there are 52 mathematics students. How many mathematics students are there? 52 mathematics students. And one more, and the number of physics and arts students taken together is 4 less than that of which one? Mathematics or not? Okay. Means physics plus arts equal to how many members? 48 or not? Physics plus arts equal to 48. Suppose the physics members I consider P members. Arts members are 48 minus P or not? 48 minus P. What is the number of math students? 52. Physics students are P. Arts students are 48 minus P. And what is the next one? The average marks of the math students is how much? 74. Means 52% average are 74 or not? It is sum of 52 students. And that of the physics are how much? 70.5. What is the physics number of students? P. Average value 70.5 means sum is P into 70.5 or not? And that of arts are how much? 77.5. How many art students? 48 minus P. Average value 77.5. What is the sum value? 48P minus 77.5. It is math student sum, physics student sum and art student sum. All these are adding, we are get the total how many students sum? 100 students sum or not? 52 plus P plus 48 minus P. Total how many students? 100 students or not? Maths 52. Physics plus arts 48. Total how many students? 100 students or not? It is equal to how many students? 100 students. What is the 100 students average are given? 73.4. 100 into 73.44. Solving this one, we are get the p value or not? Yes or no? P means number of students in physics. Suppose the p value we are getting 32. 32 are getting. Solving this one, we are get the p value 32. If p value are 32, arts value 16 or not? Arts value 16. What is the question here? Difference between number of physics students and art students. How many students are difference? 16. అది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే టైం పడుతుంది. I take the direct value. P equal to how much? 32. Physics are 32 students. Arts value 16. What is the difference? 16. Next question number 71. The angles of a triangle ABC are in which one? AP. Means arithmetic progression or not? Okay. Means first angle are which one? A. Second angle are A plus D. Third angle are A plus 2D or not? A means it is angle A or not? A plus D means angle B. A plus 2D means angle C or not? What is the sum of the angles? 180 degrees or not? In a triangle, what is the sum of the angles? 180. That 180 degrees equal to which one? A plus D plus A plus 2D or not? What is the sum value? 3A plus 3D. It is equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees or not? Then A plus D equal to how much? 60 degrees or not? A plus D 60 degrees. A plus D 60 degrees means angle B is how many degrees? 60 degrees or not? What is the A plus D value? 60. But A plus D means B value or not? Means B is how many degrees? 60 degrees or not? And one more. A and B are in which ratio? 1:3. What is the sine rule? Sin A by sin B, it is equal to which ratio? 1/√3 or not? Sin A equal to 1/√3 into sin B or not? What is the sin B value? Sin 60 or not? Sin 60 means √3/2. √3 cancel or not? What is the remaining value? 1/2 or not? 1/2 means it is sin of which one? 30 or not? Sin A 30 means A value are 30 degrees or not? A 30, B 60. Obviously C value 90 or not? Sin A equal to 1/√3 of sin B. What is the sin B value? √3/2. Solving this one, we are get the A value or not? Next question number 72. If 1 plus 16 p square plus 256 p power 4 equal to 4161, so on something or not? Substitute the p value, we return 2. P value 2. Substitute the p value 2. First one is 1 plus, what is the 16 p square? 64. Next 256 into 16 or not? Okay. 256 into 16 means it is 16 cube. What is the 16 cube? 4096 plus 64. 4160 plus 1. 4161 or not? Means P must be equal to 2 or not? Yes or no? Second one also same or getting or different? 16p square means how much? 64. 4p means minus 8. 1. 1 minus 8 plus 64. How much? 57 or not? What is the question here? 1 plus 4p plus 16p square or not? We required 1 plus 8 plus 64 or not? What is the total answer? 73, no? Yes or no? 64 plus 8, 72 plus 1, 73. If tan 10p plus 2√3 of secant p, numerator tan secant, denominator secant and tan. Substitute the p value 0 to 90 అన్నాడు. p value return 60. p value return 60 degrees. Substitute the p value 60. 10 into tan p, how much? Tan 60, no? What is the tan 60 value? Root 3. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, nothing but root 3 or not, plus 2 root 3 secant 60. Secant 60 means cos 60 reverse or not. What is the cos 60? 1 by 2. Reverse means 2 or not, by 20 root 3 secant 60. Secant 60 means we return into 2 or not, plus 30 tan p. 30 into tan p root 3 or not. Numerator 10 root 3 plus 4 root 3, how much? 14 root 3 or not. Denominator 22 the 40, 40 root 3, 30 root 3, total it is 70 root 3 or not. Root 3 cancel, 14 and 70, 1 by 5 or not. Right hand side 1 by 5 or not, means p must be equal to how much? 60 degrees or not. Substitute the p value in second equation, we are get the answer or not. Okay, I think we are getting 5 by 8 or 3 by 8. 5 by 8. Substitute the p value 60 in second equation, we are get the answer or not. Okay, next is 74. Can I skip the 74 question? Because direct question or not. Next is 75. Tan x square x, if tan x square x plus root 3 minus 6 into tan x plus 8 minus 4 root 3 equal to 0, and where 0 x is in between 0 to 45, find the value of x or not. Okay, what is the constant term here? 8 minus 4 root 3. In that, which one is common? 4 is common or not? If 4 common, what is the remaining value? 2 minus root 3 or not? 2 minus root 3, what is the tan value? 15 or not? What is the tan 30? 1 by root 3. Obviously it is less than 30 or more than 30? Less than 30 or not? 2 minus root 3, it is equal to tan of how much value? 15 degrees or not? Tan of 15 degrees. Means x equal to how many degrees? 15 degrees or not? Okay, tan square x, 2 minus root 3 whole square or not, plus root 3 minus 6 into tan 15. Tan 15 means 2 minus root 3 or not, plus 4 into which one? 2 minus root 3 or not? A square plus 2ab plus b square or not? A plus b whole square format or not? Obviously we are get the 0 value or not. Okay, means x equal to how many degrees? 15 degrees. 8 minus 4 root 3, we written how much? 4 times of 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 means tan how much value? 15 degrees or not? Means x equal to how many degrees? 15 degrees. Or solving this one, we are get the how much value? 0 or not? If it is equal to 0, obviously x value is how many degrees? 15 degrees or not?